What is up, guys? So today it's going to be a bit of a vlog, maybe about 10 minutes. A bit bored, so I thought bring the camera along, have a bit of fun, and take you down to my favorite spot that I like to go swimming down at Bribie Island.
Cracked my neck, thank you. Next big one, I'm going under.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be back home now. Just had a shower, you know, freshened up after going for a swim. Gonna now sit down, edit the footage of the video and get it ready for posting probably on Saturday. So thanks for coming along, watching the video. Thanks for leaving a like. If you haven't already, leave a like. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, go down, click the button, subscribe, put the bell on, like, comment and share. If you guys do enjoy watching content like this, where it's just a quick video, where it's just me kind of going on a day trip, leave a comment down below asking for more. If not, let me know and I'll see if I can come up with different content to start posting. This is just kind of starting to put me into more doing vlogs and stuff, starting to give me a little bit more confidence talking in public to a camera, you know, because the embarrassment that kind of comes with it. But it's just a stepping stone to get to that point where you can just go out and speak to a camera in front of people and not feel embarrassed at all. So thanks for watching guys, thanks for liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing, all the good stuff, and I will catch you guys next week.
I think he gets down some of it here. Yeah, keep this up. He's giving me some content.